Whoa, where are you going? Are you going on a vacation? You going on vacation with your suitcase? Oh, you're leaving your suitcase behind all of a sudden. I forgot. I needed to pack it with me. Ugh, heavy. Ugh. Yep. Gotta get the right grip. Here we go. Here we go. Going on vacation. It's a heavy one. I know, dude. What you packing there? Sure did pack a lot in this carry-on. It doesn't seem to make sense to go in circles, really. Huh? Can you say hi? Hey. Hi. Can you say bye-bye? Night-night. Night-night. Can you say night-night? Good Lord.